By the time I finally fell asleep in Clyde Holiday State Park, so had all the other campers. At sunrise, I packed up the tent, still wet with dew, washed in the vacant public restroom, and facing a buffed steel mirror, tried to comb damp snarls out of my hair. Something in that park, maybe it was all the trucks with gun racks or my discomfort around voices and lights, had given me the heebie-jeebies. I had a faint premonition there was danger out there, yet, like my sleepy reflection in the dim bathroom mirror, I had not clearly faced it.